Hi everyone, it's Teacher Sue here again. So this week's science experiment, we're going to make our very own water cycle. So to make that, we'll be needing a Ziploc bag, water, blue food coloring or blue paint, a marker, scissors, and tape. So the first step of the experiment will be to take your Ziploc bag and marker, and we're going to draw. So we're going to draw water, the sun, and a cloud, okay? Alright, so now that we have drawn, it's time to put the water into the Ziploc bag. We don't want to put too much, just enough until we reach the sea, okay? Okay, that's about enough water. Okay, now that we have put our water into the Ziploc bag, it's time to put some food coloring into the Ziploc bag. So we're going to take a few drops of blue food coloring and just drop it inside. Not too much, just a little bit. Shake it around. Alright, so we have the sea. Now we're going to close our Ziploc bag. Okay, next, we're going to take some tape and put it at the edge of the Ziploc bag over here, okay? Alright, so Teacher Sue is going to measure out how much tape I will need for the whole Ziploc bag. Okay, about this should be enough. Now we're going to take our scissors and cut our tape. And when you tape it onto the edge, make sure to leave some space so that you can stick it on the window later. So what Teacher Sue means is like this. There's some space, some sticky parts so that you can stick onto the window. Alright, so Teacher Sue has stuck our water cycle onto the window. Make sure to use a very sunny window, so somewhere that you'll get a lot of sunlight. So Teacher Sue is going to come back and check on this water cycle after a few hours. Alright, so it's been a few hours and you can see the first stage of our water cycle, which is evaporation. You can see the water vapor here, meaning the water is evaporating. Alright, so after some time, you can see that the top here is very cloudy. So that shows condensation. And then you can see little droplets of water flowing down, and that will be precipitation, just like rain. The water will flow back down into the sea and then repeat the cycle over and over again. Well done everyone, you have made your own water cycle at home.